Looking to sell your home faster and stand out in a crowded market? With the military veteran team at LPT Realty, we have served thousands of clients, and we're dedicated to using the best tools to serve you, including Zillow Showcase listings, a premium listing experience designed to make your home the highlight of the market. We are proud to implement our powerful done-for-you marketing and agent support strategy to maximize your sale. We deliver a best-in-class listing experience through Zillow Showcase listings, giving your buyers dramatically higher engagement. As part of our commitment to providing top-notch service, we leverage Zillow Showcase to give your home maximum exposure. Showcase listings ensure your property appears at the top of personalized search results on Zillow, a site visited by thousands each month. With Zillow Showcase, your home doesn't just get seen, it captivates buyers. Homes in Showcase receive 81% more views, 80% more saves, and 90% more shares compared to similar listings. Your property becomes a true standout, attracting more interest and engagement from serious buyers. Our military veteran team, backed by LPT Realty, is committed to serving you with honor and dedication. We know the importance of a successful sale, and using Showcase listings is one way we ensure your home grabs attention and shines above the rest. Each Showcase listing includes stunning high-resolution images, an interactive floor plan, and a virtual tour, all beautifully highlighted with our team's contact information, making it easy for buyers to reach out directly. Experience the advantage of working with the military veteran team at LPT Realty and see how Zillow Showcase can turn your home into the star of the market. Let's make your listing a highlight that buyers can't ignore.